In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily download videos or My Day videos or Reels inside Facebook. So let's say you saw a post here, and for example, like this, and you want to save this. So let's go over to Chrome extensions. Okay, click here, and let's try searching for eSuite. This one. So eSuite video downloader. So add this. Add. And now it's added. You don't need to pin this. So let's go back over here and let's reload this. So let's just say this is your timeline maybe, or so as you can see now, there's an icon here. You can set it to whatever you want, the settings you want. But if you click here, so it's now downloading the video. As you can see, it's the video. Okay. And let's say maybe let's try. Let it go. So this is My Day. As you can see, you can also download this. And as you can see, you have now 2 videos here. Okay. And if you are also, I'm not sure if you can see it here yet. It's not yet. So as you can see, the ad here, it's being downloaded as well. And basically every video that you'll see is going to be downloaded easily. For example, this, you go here, download. Okay. So as you can see, it's very quick and easy to download videos right now using this. So that's all. Thank you.